Hello everyone, welcome to Dart tutorial. In this video you will learn about where in Dart. Where is used to filter the specific item based on the condition. Let me share my screen and let's see a complete demo. Okay, here you can see information about where in Dart. Let's do one example first. Let's create a list of numbers and let's filter even and odd numbers from that. Okay. First of all, I will open my Visual Studio Code and let me write our main method. Okay, and I will say list of integer and I will say numbers. Okay, numbers is equal to, I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, okay. Now let's filter the even numbers from this list. Okay, I'll say list of integer even numbers, or you can also write var here. Let me write var at first. Even numbers is equal to, I'll say numbers dot where, and when you press tab then you can find this result, numbers dot where. Here instead of element you can write anything. I'll say e, and you need to write here condition. Okay, I'll say e dot is even. Okay, this will filter the even numbers, and let me print this even numbers. Okay, if I run this program, here you can see all the even number got printed. Okay, I will also print the type of this runtime type. Okay, this is where iterable integer, and if you want to convert this to list, then you need to write list of integer. Okay, list of integer, and at the end you need to write dot to list. Okay, in this way you can convert this to list. Okay, if I run this program, now here you can see 2468 got printed in list. Okay, in this way you can also print odd numbers. I'll just copy this one. I'll say odd numbers, and here you need to write is odd. Okay, in this way you can also print odd numbers. Just I will print odd numbers here. Here you can see all the odd numbers got printed. And you can also print the multiplication of 3, just this 3 and 6 and 9. Okay, I'll say mul3 and numbers dot where, and I will say e%2 when e is divided by not 2, 3, e%3 is equal to 0. When that number is divided by 3 and remainder is 0, then this will be included on this mul3. Okay, I'll just print this mul3, and here you can see 3, 6 and 9 got printed. In this way you can use where in that. Okay, and let's write another program. I'll say list of string, and I will say names is equal to Rahul, and I will say Syam, and I will say Raj, and I will say Rasmi, and I will say Mina, and I will say Mark. Okay, in this way you can write names. Okay, let me print all the names whose first character is R. Okay, for that I'll say list of string start with R. Okay, and then I'll say names dot where, and then I need to write condition here. You can also write e instead of element. Okay, in condition I will say where e. Okay, we need to write a condition e dot start with, and I will say R. Okay, and at the end you need to write dot to list. Okay, now let's print this one start with R, and let's run the program. Okay, I'll run the program. Okay, here you can see Rahul, Raj and Rasmi got printed. In this way you can use where in that. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. If you have any question, then comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you.